Hi, this is Shyam. I'm so excited that we are so close to a new year, like most of you. Now, there's something that is resonating in my mind for the last few days, and that is nothing but the word detoxification. Detoxification, like we all know, a process where in which the human body tries to remove all the toxins away, all the unhealthy substances from the human body during a particular period of time. It is a process which needs to happen, which should happen in the human body to keep our healthy well-being. Now, how is it connected with this video? Let me first name this video as Detoxifying LinkedIn Networks. LinkedIn, a very powerful platform through which we try to connect with a person, we network, we engage, we try to seek jobs, we try to get references, we try to build our businesses, we try to build our brand presence, whatnot. LinkedIn even helps us, even our learning through LinkedIn Learning. Undoubtedly, LinkedIn is a very powerful platform. Do you agree with me? Good. Now, this reminds me of a quote which Jim Rohn said long back during one of his speeches, in which he said, "Your network is your net worth." Let me repeat, your network is your net worth. But I think we all have a false belief that the word network is replaced by the word numbers. Let me tell you an example. I noticed quite a lot of profiles in LinkedIn where not celebrities, normal professionals, where I noticed they have updated with a tagline mentioning I have 10,000 contacts, I have 5,000 connections in LinkedIn. But when we just go and try to seek a service, or when we try to seek or discuss an opportunity, there's no response at all despite multiple follow-ups. I'm sure most of you would have experienced this. Of course, it is disappointing. Of course, it is disappointing. But this led me to a very powerful realization, which is the question: is it the number of contacts in LinkedIn, or is it the quality of your contacts? I was able to realize it is the quality of my contacts in LinkedIn, which is very essential for me, not just the number of contacts. Now, if you really believe it is the quality of your contacts, please update in the comment section. That really helps us to discuss further on this. But as I said, I didn't stop it there. I introduced a filtration process. Let me tell you what the filtration process is. When I receive a request from someone who's unknown to me through LinkedIn, a request that comes, I just ask them very simple question: why do you want to be part of my network? And believe me, I introduced this couple of weeks back, and then I had 10 requests. Out of this, when I asked this filtration question, even 4 revoked the request. 4 even revoked the request. It was funny for me, but I also believe that filtration process has been very powerful. The filtration has started working. I didn't again stop it there. I started detoxifying the not so important members from my LinkedIn profile. The not so important members from LinkedIn profile. Now, this may sound a little rude, isn't it? But I don't think so. Let me tell you why. Because I believe strongly I should be much more responsive, and thereby I respect the person who contacts me or who just try to contact me, rather than being a person who says that I'm quite busy. And that's something I believe now. And this has emerged me to believe that you respect by responding. You respect a fellow person by responding. I do this during my LinkedIn or social media hours of a week. So I manage it something like that. And now let me come back to the quote which Jim Rohn said, your network is your net worth. I have a little thing to tweak there. Your quality of your network is your net worth. Your quality of your network is your net worth. So what's your take on it? Please respond. Let's get into some good discussions. Thank you.